Okay, so I got my package from my supplier, so you can start opening it. My sister's gonna open it for me. Make sure you don't rip anything. There's an address on there. What are you doing?
Oh, I thought you wanted to show the address. I caught something. Oh wait, no I didn't. Don't worry, it has bubble thing.
No.
Yeah.
No, you're showing the address.
Oh. No wonder.
Yay! So the packaging's really nice with bubble mail from my supplier. So she's just gonna rip it open or cut it open. Okay, unravel it.
I'm cutting it. Can you wait?
Can we hurry? It takes forever to upload. Oh, it's so cute. They're adorable. I asked for a sample, I hope. And then they told me they were gonna give me a sample, but then I wonder what kind of sample they sent. Oh, you're about to cut my hand.
No, I didn't.
Hurry up.
You can ask Marilyn. It's mine!
No, it's not. I have to sell these.
Hey, you have lots of bunnies.
Yeah, I asked for a lot of bunnies.
Where's
sample? Where's
I
sample?
don't see sample.
Hey, they gave me a donut and a bun. Okay, so first of all...
Can I open it?
No, well, not yet. I'm gonna open this one too. So first of all, I got the yellow Rilakkuma macaroons. And I got the blue ones. Aw. Okay. And then I also got some Kiritori cream puffs. And a Rilakkuma cream puff. And a Rilakkuma cream puff. And I'll show you the Rilakkuma one. And I also got Sentimental Circus Squishy. This is really rare. It kind of took me a long time to find it. It's like a cracker, a cream-filled cracker, and it's super cute. It's really nice. Then I got strawberries. These are super small. I thought these are big. I got the white one and this one, but I only got 4 of these because these aren't that rare, and I just wanted them to keep personally. I feel them for myself, and yeah. And then I got a whole bunch of the bunnies, the whole sentimental. And then they sent me samples as I asked them to. They sent me a donut. Squishy, soft. And then they sent me a baby bun. I wanted a bun so bad. It's really squishy. So, something's vibrating. So I got 2 white strawberries, 2 dark strawberries, 16 of these bunnies. I didn't count yet. These samples. 5 Rilakkuma, 5 blue macaroons, 5 yellow macaroons, and 5 Kiritoris. So yeah guys, hope you purchase, and I'll make a video of the prices soon.